Is it really good for you? Watch our video, so we'll share our own experience. Watch till the end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using Odoo accounting for manufacturing businesses for around 6 months now. And overall, it's one of the most flexible systems for combining accounting, inventory, and production management in one platform, but it definitely requires time and proper setup to work smoothly. First, the biggest advantage is integration. Odoo connects accounting directly with manufacturing operations, inventory, purchasing, and sales. This means production costs, stock movements, and financial data all update together automatically, which gives a much clearer picture of the business. Another strong point is customization. Manufacturing companies often have unique workflows, and Odoo gives you a lot of flexibility to adapt the system to your processes instead of forcing you into one rigid structure. I also like the real-time tracking. You can monitor inventory levels, production expenses, supplier costs, and overall financial performance without constantly switching between separate tools. But there are also some downsides. The biggest issue is complexity. Odoo is not beginner-friendly, especially for manufacturing setups. Configuring workflows, inventory rules, and accounting correctly can take a lot of time and sometimes requires technical support. Another downside is implementation. The system is powerful, but setup is not quick. If your data or processes are already messy, migrating everything can become a serious project. Also, while the base platform can seem affordable, costs increase as you add more modules, users, or customization. And finally, performance and usability depend heavily on proper configuration. A poorly set up Odoo system can quickly become confusing and inefficient. Overall, Odoo accounting is a powerful solution for manufacturing businesses that want accounting and operations connected in one ecosystem. It helped me improve visibility and organization over the past months, but it works best for companies willing to invest time into setup, customization, and learning the platform properly.